We all knew Cyber Monday was coming, but as usual, nobody wants to share their Cyber Monday deals until Cyber Monday. Is Cyber Monday a better time to buy something than Black Friday? Who really knows? What I do know is it's your last chance, and we've negotiated some pretty good deals to help you guys save as much money as possible on your last chance. All the sales and everything that we talk about in this video, we will leave all the coupon codes and everything in the description down below so it's easy and it makes sense to navigate. We do make a small affiliate commission on any of those links or codes that you use. It does not cost you guys any extra, and that affiliate commission that we make pays for Tiny Baby's time that he spent negotiating with these guys, because let me tell you, just getting you guys these codes was not easy. So this morning, we finally got a last minute list together of different deals or new deals from our Black Friday video that are exclusive to Cyber Monday. A lot of the brands that we mentioned in the Black Friday video just extended the same deals, but a lot of them are playing some fun games and switching things up and presenting new deals. Some of them are literally today only, the Monday only. So look, we're just gonna jump into that really quickly. Any codes that we've negotiated with any of these brands can be stacked on top of whatever deal they already have. So if we tell you we have a 5% code and they have 50% off, that means you can get a total of 55% off. And if we don't mention any brands in this video that you're looking for, check our Black Friday video. Most of the deals from that video kind of carried over if they haven't been mentioned in this video. Anyways, getting started with Signature Solar. They're the go-to place for EG4 products and solar panels. We have a code, the Solar Lab 50, saves you an additional $50 off your order on Cyber Monday. And today only, the Monday, they have free shipping on all solar panels when you buy 2 or more pallets. Pallets of panels are massive and very delicate, so shipping on them is generally really expensive. This is actually a sick deal if you're actually trying to buy a lot of panels all at one time. Otherwise, they have 10% off all of their solar kits. So that's anything that's already pre-bundled, like inverters, batteries, panels in some form of a kit on their website. They also have 5% off of solar panels if you just buy like individual panels or a small quantity. And they still have the general blanket sale on their website that is 5% off everything except batteries. So all of your inverters, panel mounts, solar panels, charge inverter, anything like that, all of it is 5% off. Next up, we got an interesting deal going on at Shop Solar. You guys know Shop Solar is the best place if you're gonna buy like a power station bundle, because they'll bundle like a Delta Pro Ultra with a different brand solar panel, so you can get an actual good deal on the whole kit. EcoFlow panels are outrageously expensive. Most power station companies' panels are just really, really expensive. So we always recommend you buy kits for portable power stations and stuff from Shop Solar. Right now, they have about 25 to 30% off of most of the kits on their website. We actually found out on Black Friday that the code that they gave us that was supposed to be an exclusive code was the same thing that they basically put across their website. They had like a Turkey 2024 or something. You could go on there and you could just grab a discount code that they already just kind of gave you, and it would get you the same 5% off. So we actually negotiated another 1%, which doesn't seem like a lot, but when you're spending money, every percent counts. And so for Cyber Monday, we have a 6% code to share with you guys. It is TSLBF6. Nope, that was Black Friday's. Our code for Cyber Monday is TSLCM6. So it's an additional percent off, 6% off on top of anything they already have marked down, 25 to 30%. We also have a code that's exclusive to Anker products on their website. It's a 7% code. It's Lab7. So that's an additional 7% off any Anker product or Anker kit. All Anker, kits or non-kits, an additional 7% off. Apparently they can only do that one with Anker. So there you go. And any Anker EcoFlow kit that you buy, like a solar generator kit, has free shipping right now, which just like the Signature Solar, shipping is the huge expense. So taking advantage of the free shipping is always very nice. Getting into EcoFlow, on their website, you can still save. They did this thing where everything's kind of a different price. I love it. I don't love it. So 31% off the Delta Pro 3, 36% off the Delta Pro Ultra, up to 51% off the OG Delta Pro when you buy it with a panel or panels. You can get 20% off the new Delta Pro 3 or Delta Pro Ultra with no panel, and you can save an additional 7% off with our discount code, which is 24EFBF Solar. We need to get a grip on these codes, dude. Anyways, it's 7% off anything on their website that stacks on top of the sale that we just said. Not the best. If you're gonna buy with panels, I would still check out Shop Solar. If you want a unit on its own, who cares? If you want to bundle it with a panel, I don't know that their pricing is gonna do better for you than Shop Solar's, but check it out. And with Anker, worth mentioning, but confusing. I know that our Anker...
All right, guys, Anker fucked up. Can I say that?
Yeah.
Anker fucked up, but I arm wrestled them and managed to get you guys an extra 3%. So if you guys spend over $3,000, you can use the code in the description to save an additional 3% in addition to their automatic Black Friday codes that are on their website. Anyways, back to Robbie.
But if you're shopping Anker, they still have some good sales on. They basically have the 40% off the F3800, even more if you bundle it with panels or expansion batteries or whatever. 50% off the F2000, which we called when we filmed the favorite power stations video. We knew we were gonna be blowing those things out. They're a great unit and they're dirt cheap right now. Plus you get free gifts and whatever. We don't have any exclusive codes with them, but I know that you guys would be asking if we left it out, so that one was weird. If you're gonna buy an Anker product in a bundle, it might make more sense still, same as EcoFlow, to check out Shop Solar. They do a really good job of bundling things. If you're just buying single units, that sale might still be competitive. I would just run both numbers and see what happens. And closing it out with OUPES, they did some weird shit too. So their price dropped Friday. They have a roller coaster that we're riding. So Black Friday, price drops. We thought it was gonna drop all weekend. No, just Friday, price drops. Comes back up Saturday and Sunday. It's Monday morning now, price back down. Just for today only, I would presume, because they just did it for Friday only. OUPES makes some really great affordable power stations. We like them. You guys hear us talk about them all the time. They have some good initiatives and whatever. We have the code, the Solar Lab BFCM saves you an additional 7% off. If you missed Friday, Monday is probably the best time to buy because the roller coaster's back down. Basically, everything is marked down 30 to 35%. Then you stack our code. I don't know why people do what they do, but they do. And that's it. That's all that's kind of changed or is new. If you guys are looking for something that we didn't go over, the video from Black Friday probably still has the most up-to-date links. Otherwise, look, hey, we're just trying to help you guys save some money because this is a great hobby or lifestyle thing to get into, but it's expensive, and so we're trying to help you guys save money where we can. Make sure you guys are subscribed and like the video to show your appreciation so Tiny Baby can eat, because he's always a hungry Tasmanian devil in the corner, and I need to feed this guy to keep him sane. So I don't even know if what I'm saying makes sense.
You need to feed me so you get deals, dude. I put the D in deals.
So that's it. That's all we got for you guys. If you're gonna buy anything, using our codes supports the channel. So, I mean, even if you just use a link or just subscribe or like the video, if you're not trying to spend any money, I don't care. Subscribe, like the video. That is all we got for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out and stay charged.